When you inherit money, it's generally a good thing, and you don't have to worry about it impacting Social Security because that is not going to be income as far as Social Security is concerned. It doesn't impact your earned income limit. How about Medicare? Does it impact Medicare? Could that extra money that you inherit cost you to pay more for Medicare Part B and D, the IRMA? And the answer is, sometimes it could. So if my mom dies and leaves me $100,000, no problem. Should I get the cash? That is not a problem. That doesn't impact anything. Unless I'm somebody getting some kind of assistance, like extra help or Medicaid. If you're getting assistance, an inheritance generally stops that assistance. But I'm just a regular person, a regular retiree on Medicare. It will not cause my Medicare Part B to go up. It's not income. It's a gift, that $100,000. Now, it's going to be a little bit different if my mom dies and I inherit her IRA, a traditional IRA, or I inherit her 401k. So the money that comes out of those tax-deferred accounts will be taxable. Not a Roth. A Roth, you already pay tax on it. So my mom dies and I inherit her $100,000 IRA. If she was already taking required minimum distributions, and if this part's making your head go crazy, work with a certified financial planner. If you do inherit a Roth IRA or a 401k, or your accountant can explain this to you. But I'm just going to give you like my folksy dumbed down version. If I inherit the IRA and she was already required to take money out by the IRS, they said she had to be taking money out, then when I inherit it, regardless of my age, I had to keep taking so much money out each year. And when I take that money out, it's taxable at my tax bracket. And if that extra income causes me to trigger the Medicare IRMA, then yeah, I could have to pay more for Medicare B and D because of an inheritance. Even though typically people say an inheritance doesn't impact Medicare, there's these instances where it could. So the Medicare Family, we can help you with your Medicare coverages, choosing your Medicare plans, your drug plans, explaining if you need cancer insurance, hospital indemnity insurance, dental. We help you with those coverages. But with this topic, I'm just educating you. I'm alerting you that it might be a problem and that you need to work with a financial planner or an accountant. And I hope it's good news for most of you, but it might be a little bit of bad news for some of you. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you learned something today.
If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.